Welcome to doassignment.ca. Here's the problem. A conveyor belt transports packages. Each 10-kilogram package has a coefficient of kinetic friction μk equal to 0.15. The conveyor belt is moving at 5 meters per second and then suddenly stops. Determine the distance the package will slide on the belt before coming to rest. Now let us work through the solution step by step. When the belt suddenly stops, the package is still moving at 5 meters per second. Since the package slides forward relative to the now stationary belt, kinetic friction acts backward on the package, decelerating it. We have a 10-kilogram package, a kinetic friction coefficient of 0.15, and an initial speed of 5 meters per second. Looking at the free body diagram, the package sits on a horizontal surface. In the vertical direction, the normal force equals the weight of the package. N equals m times g, which is 10 times 9.81, giving 98.1 newtons. The kinetic friction force is then μk times n, which equals 0.15 times 98.1, giving 14.715 newtons, directed backward against the package's motion. Applying Newton's second law in the horizontal direction, the only horizontal force is friction acting backward. So negative 14.715 equals 10 times a, giving an acceleration of negative 1.4715 meters per second squared. The negative sign confirms the package is decelerating. Using the kinematic equation, v squared equals v naught squared plus 2 times a times s, and setting the final velocity to 0, since the package comes to rest, we solve for s. Substituting the initial velocity of 5 meters per second and the deceleration of negative 1.4715 meters per second squared, we get s equals 25 divided by 2.943, which gives approximately 8.50 meters. As a verification, we apply the Work-Energy Theorem. The work done by friction equals the change in kinetic energy. Friction does negative work equal to negative 14.715 times s, and the change in kinetic energy is 0 minus 1/2 times 10 times 5 squared, which is negative 125 joules. Solving for s gives 125 divided by 14.715, which again equals approximately 8.50 meters. Both methods confirm the answer. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.